Hi, I'm Mike. I'm the author of many Python books. And I just want to talk to you a little bit about my newest book, Python Logging. Python Logging is going to be a really short book. It's actually one of the smallest books I've ever written. This is the type of book I normally write. You can see here that it's a pretty big book compared to Python Logging. But I was like, this will be cool to try doing a 6:9 form factor versus 8.5 by 11. And you'll also notice that the page count is quite a bit less. But this is still a really cool book, and I think you'll really enjoy it overall. I hope you'll check this thing out. I think you'll really enjoy it. Because the whole goal point of this book is to help you learn how to use the Python logging module, and kind of have this almost like a pocket reference. You can open it up and get some good examples of how to, change your log levels, try different things, create a logging decorator, use logging with your concurrency, so like threads, multiprocessing, async I/O, that sort of thing. It's all in the little book, and I hope you'll find it really, really helpful.